Hello friends and welcome to my cookbook. Today we are making chicken lemon and coriander soup. This is a very simple recipe and all the ingredients are easily available in the kitchen. I hope you like it. These are the ingredients that you'll need for the recipe. Let's get started. In a wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil and wait till the oil gets heated. As the oil is heated, now let's add spring onion whites to it and saute it for some time. Please note I am adding 1 more tablespoon of oil to it. Now let's add green chilies to it. Now add in the ginger garlic paste and saute it till the rawness of the ginger goes away. Now let's add our chicken stock. Here goes in our chicken Maggi cube. Now I'm adding a glass of water to it. Add coriander leaves. To get that tangy flavor, add lemon juice to it. Now let the soup come to a boil. Let's add chicken shreds to it. Here goes in our spring onion greens. Now let's add corn flour. I have mixed 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water. Add salt as per your taste. You can see that our soup has started to thicken up, and it's the best time to add egg whites. See to it that after adding the egg whites, you stir continuously. Now let's bring our soup to a boil. So there we go. The consistency is so good and the soup looks so delicious and so yummy. It is the best in winters and I think you should really give it a try, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any queries regarding the recipe, please write them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.